Now I can start cutting again. Oh, it's really soft. Hello, tiny reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Trader Joe's Spring Cupcake Mix. White cupcake mix with green frosting mix and caramel chocolate candies. So I'm going to be making this. To tell you the truth, I am a baker. For some reason, I am. On the side, there are the nutrition facts and ingredients. It contains milk, egg, and wheat. The instructions for cupcakes, you'll need this. 2/3 cup of water, 6 tablespoons of butter melted, and 3 egg whites. For the frosting, you'll need the 6 tablespoons of unsalted butter, softened this time, and 2 teaspoons of milk, and probably they didn't listed, but probably the green frosting mix as well. And then the directions are here, and then it shows everything else. Okay, so let me open it. And if you haven't guessed already, this is an Easter theme. And I'm trying to open this, and I succeeded. They're the caramel candies. This is apparently the cupcake mix. Ooh, well, that should be okay. I don't wanna. It didn't leak, just that it's just very floury. And then here is another. Oh, you can make two. Wait, which one is? Wait, the color. Where is the green frosting mix? Since this is like if you can't see it, but it's like a tinted light green. I think this is and it also feels, no, is it leaking or something? I don't know, but this is like a little green color, so I think this is the frosting, this is the cake mix, and this is and if you see it, this is actually kind of a bit smaller, and this is the caramel candy. Alright, and I'll see you probably in the kitchen, and I'll try to make this as best as I can, and I won't make this frilly green stuff, though. Okay, so my washing machine is running, so it's a bit noisy, but I finished frosting the cupcakes, finally, and I'm gonna start putting on the caramel candies. So I finished putting all the eggs, as I call it, on the cupcakes. So I have a few actual. I have actually 5 left. I'm holding 3. So I'm gonna actually taste one, but I just want to taste it. It's a chocolate caramel, so this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna cut this. Actually, why am I cutting it? Because there's paper. Excuse me. I can't cut paper. I mean, I could, but it wouldn't be that pleasant. There, that's better. Now I can start cutting again. Oh, it's really soft. I can just tell that because, like, the way it cuts through the cake is really soft. Okay, so I eat half, my dad eats half, my mom, I don't know. Wow. Alright. Actually really good. Right now, so I said he's 4, and my dad's 4.2, I'm also 4.2. The cake is really soft. If you've ever made any other like cake mixes or cupcake mixes, it's actually kind of bad because it's like boxed cake mix. But this is actually really good. Is it a must buy? No. But for people that love cupcakes or like baking, yes. Well, this is really. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and press the like button and meet me again at the brown cyclone pie table, but I'm on the countertop right now, so meet me on the brown cyclone pie table, and I'll see you again in my videos. Bye!